Open the door again to reveal the hinge housing. Now fasten the remaining hinge housing screws, beginning with the top round hole. You should have at least 15 screws in total. Take your 5-in-1 tool to remove the top temporary hinge block. Insert the top of the full-height hinge block into the hinge housing, and tap it gently with a mallet to snap it into place. Use the same 5-in-1 tool to remove the bottom temporary hinge block. Insert the rest of the full hinge block into the hinge housing, and use a rubber mallet to secure it. Open and close the door to ensure it swings freely.